Hey y'all, welcome back to the Black Coffee and Tea podcast. So y'all, I just came across this story about a young man who goes by the name Shy Wertz, and 21 years old, who recently just had to fight off charges from police after they confused bird poop on his window shield to be cocaine. All right, y'all heard this right. This young man, 21 years old, he's actually a quarterback for Georgia Southern University. He was actually pulled over for initially speeding in Georgia. All of this was caught on dash cam, police buffoonery, their illogicalness. All of it was caught for us to bear witness to this fuckery. All right, so unfortunately, this man literally got arrested, had charges of cocaine possession put on his record. So originally when these charges were announced, there was repercussions for Shy. He is a college athlete, so he was suspended. He wasn't even allowed to play in a huge LSU football game that they had coming up. All of these people were just believing the cop side of the story that, he was guilty of cocaine possession. And then imagine how he felt for over a week knowing that he didn't even have any drugs on him or around him, but yet because of bird poop that literally is on everyone's windshield, he was charged with a crime and was actually kicked out of his college sports. This is some fuck shit, y'all. It's just some fuck shit. I want y'all to check out the video of these moronic police officers trying to persuade themselves that the bird poop is actually cocaine.
Bird shit? Yeah. That ain't bird shit.
I promise you that's bird doo-doo.
I promise you it's not, though.
I swear to God that's bird doo-doo.
I swear to God it's not, because I just tested it and that turned pink.
But you can see it on the windshield.
That's not bird poop.
I swear to God that's bird doo-doo.
That's not bird poop.
I swear to God.
That's a lot of bird shit, man.
I tried to clean it last night at the gas station.
I can still wipe it off.
It's bird doo-doo.
All right, okay. No, I don't know what you got going on in your life or whatever, but that's a field test kit. It's distributed to us by the state. I mean, if it turns pink or blue, that means it's positive for cocaine. It don't just turn positive out of nowhere.
Shit.
That's not bird shit, okay?
I swear to God.
It looks nothing like bird poop, man. We know what bird poop looks like. Bird poop.
Can I tell you something? That's bird shit. I pulled over last night to clean it off my car, and it didn't come off with the little thing that the clean the windshield with.
Bird poop, man.
It just spread it. Yeah, I mean, it was a lot of bird.
It's like in spots, like all over.
You can still see it in the driver's side little thing down by the hood. That's bird doo-doo.
It's all the way across your car.
I know, because
for bird poop.
the thing that you clean the windshield with that got water in it. That's what I tried to rub it off with that, and that's why I sprayed it and it still didn't come off. So I just left it. It happened last night.
Well, I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna gather up all the stuff on the front as much as I can. It tastes positive for cocaine. I mean, I don't know.
I have no reason to lie about cocaine. Like, I play football, so I don't do cocaine. I don't do.
I'm not sure how.
I don't know.
It really doesn't make any sense as to why that's coming back positive for cocaine. So
exactly. I don't like. I just told you there's bird poop on the front of my car.
People in your neighborhood, do they deal cocaine? Do cocaine?
My grandma stayed in the apartment complex. I would hope nobody.
That's where you were at before this?
Yes.
Before you drove down the road here.
Right.
You said you come from Clinton?
Right. Clean Green Apartments.
Okay.
That's bird poop.
That's a lot of bird poop, man.
I don't know what to say.
And then you chose not to stop, and you just off on me, and you did admit that.
I was going to the store. Like, I'm not gonna pull over in the dark where nobody around can see. What's been going on in the world. And no offense to you, but I just didn't feel comfortable, officer. Like, I wasn't running. Okay. I called a lady on the phone. I told her, can you please tell him I'm not running from the police? Can I just get to where somebody is? And I was going to pull over.
So, y'all, there you have it. That's America's finest police officers putting on their investigation caps to bust a big-time poop dealer. I am so fucking tired of y'all. I'm so tired of society right now. I don't even know what to do. But these police officers were clearly trying to make something out of nothing. First of all, this young man, clearly there was nothing about his car, about his driving. There was nothing about him to make you even have the right to search his vehicle. All right. So you were so desperate to criminalize this young Black scholar that you literally picked off bird poop on his windshield to test it in your fancy dancy bullshit kit. I really can't. I really cannot. It's so hard for you, for some racists out here to accept that Black people are doing amazing things with their lives. Not all Black people are criminals. Not all Black men are drug dealers. Like, y'all are so pressed to try to nail some bullshit on a Black person that you out here ignoring the real crime. The real criminal still sit up here and shoot up malls and Walmarts and shit. Maybe you need to be investigating that. And I want to say shout out to Shy for doing the smart thing and waiting to get to a well-lit area, because, you know, being on the back roads of Georgia and any other southern community or just any community, if you're not in a well-lit area, you know, things can happen to you. You can go missing, shit. We don't know. You know, police, they're just human beings. They're just people. And unfortunately, right now in America, there are a lot of racist people out there. And unfortunately, that translates to being a lot of racist cops out there. So y'all protect yourself. If you get pulled over, do exactly what Shy did. He was very smart to call the 911 dispatcher and let her know, look, I'm not running. I'm just trying to get to a well-lit area before I pull over. Okay, because we never know what's going to happen, and it's better to be around some type of traffic where people could record you or see what exactly is happening to you on the side of the road. The police department is dead ass wrong for this. So even though they did go ahead and drop Shy's possession of cocaine charge, they still held his speeding charge. Like, really? How petty. They could have at least dropped the speeding charge. I mean, you charged this man for bird poop on his windshield. The least you could do is drop the speeding charge, okay? So, y'all, let me know what you think about this situation in the comments below. Me personally, I hope, Shy, if you're out there listening to this, please seek legal counsel, all right? Because the police department owes you something. You had a great reputation, and now for you being a star athlete, you missed a very important game, and I think you need to be compensated for it. All right. So good luck to you. Y'all, please let me know what you think about this story in the comments below. Like, share, subscribe. Check out our podcast, the Black Coffee and Tea Podcast, available now on all streaming platforms. All right. Talk to y'all later. Bye.